All right, guys, I want to talk about a penny stock that is bottomed out, picked up massive volume the past 2 days, and could have a massive move up very short term. It has quite a bit of room up to my targets here. So without further ado, let's talk about penny stock RNAZ. So I've been telling in the Discord, biotech stocks are really risky. They're really hard to play. So when I'm looking at this stock, just understand if you go to the profile, if it says biotech and medical research, they tend to dilute a lot more. But when I'm looking at this stock, I can't help but figure out like, wow, this thing is so freaking primed to hit the EMA5, this purple band here. If you count the candles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is what I mean, like getting extreme oversold. This is it right here. I mean, look at this. I mean, I'm actually astonished how oversold this is. You're looking at a 57% pump to this EMA5. But if you guys haven't noticed, this thing has actually gave really good returns pre-market. And I tell everyone, and if you haven't done this, wake up early in the morning, set your price target, at least 10%, and you can see from these pumps, I mean, this thing has pumped 34% in a blink of an eye. And it would have been nice to have those orders in right here. Right here, it has pumped 40% in a blink of an eye. And this was all the way here at 5 in the morning. I always tell people, if you're trading penny stocks, you got to get up early. If you see this type of pattern, always use Webull for penny stocks. Get up at 4 in the morning, set your limit order, extended hours, and then you can go to bed. Just make sure you have a limit and be like, for example, let's say you bought at 1.20, all right? So you've bought at 1.20, your 10% target from 1.20 is looking at, you use your data price range, 1.32. So if you got in here, you set your price target at 1.32, you're sleeping away, it triggers your order in here, goes a little higher, that's totally fine, and then it plummets down. You're already out of the trade. Then you look in for the next lows. Guess what happens? You get in again, and it pumps again, making a 33% move. It triggers again while you're sleeping, and then you wait till the end of the day. You see what I like to do a lot of times do? If you wait till the end of the day, you can get the best entries. From here, literally already you're up quite a bit, making 16%, 17%. I think this is going to go up really big. It tends to do it pre-market. Always take your 10% though. I mean, this ticker has actually gave good returns. It's just more of, are you willing to hold? Are you holding too long? Never hold these pennies long. But I'm really astonished to see this though. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's really long. Obviously we're not touching this lower Keltner channel. But I don't think it will, just due to the price, it's so far under. But you can use this EMA5 strategy and be like, hey, price will revert to the mean. The next thing to look at is this K value. It's at a 1.48. That is extremely low K value. On this last candle was 2. This other one was 1.64. So you can see how, if you look at the previous candles, I wasn't really interested in this stock because there's like no volume here. A lot of people in my Discord are in this, and they're going to make some pretty good money pre-market. I just already see it. This thing is going to pump massive. You can see right in here, if it's less than a million volume, it doesn't catch my attention. When this really started catching my attention was on this candle on March 12th. You see the difference? There's a lot of accumulation going on. 10 million volume, and then another 10 million volume. That is 10 times the average volume this thing has. And it's not just because it dropped heavily. If you look at the big drop this had barely any volume when it was dropping. There wasn't much attention to it. I like stocks way above a million. And then what I look for is to say, hey, did the volume just randomly increase out of nowhere? And yes, we have 10 million volume twice in a row compared to the average 1 million volume. That tells you there's a big move coming. All right. So I liked it on these two candles. You could have made money on pre-market here, made money on pre-market here, multiple times, and always accumulate end of the day. As you can see, when penny stocks go down, you get the best entries at the end of the day. You can see when the bodies go all the way down, you get best entries at the end of the day. So you're looking at a massive 57% gain to the EMA5. I'm not saying it's going to hit it right away tomorrow, but there is a very good, strong chance that this hits the EMA5. Biotechs are always risky. Always play very strict with them. Usually not hitting the EMA5 and 7 daily candles is long, but you got to make sure, hey, what's the volume? Lower volume always takes longer time frames. I've learned a lot with this bad market that I am very strict now because I'm in a penny stock that is just doing all right. It had this same kind of formation where if you wait longer periods of time, you can do a lot better. But that K value is so important. 1.48, that is extremely oversold. Dead cat bounce. You can already see after hours you would have made your 10%. Already making that 10%. That is a, this has no doubt in my mind that this can make a massive move. All right. The biggest things that I see is the increase of volume. It 10x its volume. 10 million is not something to joke about. It has massive EMA5 time distance. Everything comes to touch the EMA5. And it looks pretty good. We'll see what it does from this point here. See if I'm wrong. But obviously, wake up early in the morning pre-market. That's just part of trading. If you're trading penny stocks, you got to wake up early in the morning. Put that sell order in on Webull. If you have it, let's just say you bought it way up in here. Obviously, you're not up 10%. If you have it at 80, let's say you have it at 91 cents. All right. 91 cents, 10% would be, you can see right here is $1. So you would have yet $1 price target, and it will most likely do something like this where it just skyrockets up. And if it doesn't do it, at least you had that in there just in case. So, I mean, obviously you don't want to just wait every minute, it pumps. Just go to bed, have that target in. Don't be greedy. If you miss out on more gains, it's totally fine. 10% is always the target, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. When you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is click how to subscribe down here, and just click the day trade alerts right here. Or just go up here and click day trade alerts, and it'll ask you to subscribe. You guys are going to love this system here. I promise you guys are going to learn so much. Nothing is perfect in trading, but this is pretty freaking close to it. I've worked really hard to find out how to trade oversold stocks, how to trade with the trend, and how to trade do day trades. This environment is awesome for day trading. You guys are going to be amazed about the vast amount of profits we're getting for day trading. It is absolutely insane. But click the day trade alerts, you get access to everything. And guess this, guys, for a promotional video, you get it all for $12 a month. It'll never increase in price if you're grandfathered into this promotion, and you're gonna love it, guys. $12 a month, day trades, swing trades. You're gonna get my live streams. You can click this link, join in my live streams. Day trading education, swing trading education, everything that you need to know, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys wanna give this video a like, it helps a lot. Like this video, subscribe. And if you do subscribe, guys, it might be a little extra for if you're not from the US. It might be a buck or two more, maybe 15 or 16 bucks a month, but you're still getting a good deal. If you're on Android, you might have to subscribe on your computer, and it's also best to do that to avoid the iOS fee. All right, always subscribe on your computer, but lock in this, guys. You guys are going to love this strategy. You're going to be a part of a community. I'm in the paint. I'm in the fire with you guys. When we win together. When we lose, we just improve. That's all there is to trading. It's a probability game. RNAZ, expect a pretty nice move up here. I mean, this is looking very bullish. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.